The use of honey for home remedies. Honey is a sweet liquid made by bees using nectar from flowers. It is clear golden amber in color. Facts on honey. Honey has wound healing properties and antibacterial actions. It has been used in medicine for over 500 years. Honey can replace sugar in meals, providing a healthier option. Do not give honey to children under 12 months old. 44 uses of honey. Eyes scratching. If your eyes is scratching you, you can use white onion and honey to subdue the scratching. Preparation. Grind or blend white onion. Mix the grinded white onion with honey properly and drop it into your eyes. The eyes will relieve you. Stomach pain. The person that has stomach pain can relieve himself with bitter leaf and pure honey. Mix grinded bitter leaf with pure honey. Mix it thoroughly. Use 2 tablespoons after meal. Your stomach pain will relieve you. 3. Wound. If you are wounded, grind bitter leaf with pure honey. Mix it together and rub it on it. Your wound will relieve you. Children toothache. Mix lime juice with honey. Give the child 1 tablespoon 3 times daily. The toothache will subdue. Tuberculosis. Grind ginger, salt, garlic, and bitter kola together. Mix them with pure honey. Use 1 tablespoon 3 times daily. Sleeplessness. If you cannot sleep, drink honey every night. Menstruation problem. Menstrual problem. Use 4 tablespoons of honey 4 times daily. Rheumatism. Grind bitter leaf with pure honey. Use it to rub it and take 2 tablespoons 3 times daily. Weeklow or boil. Grind beans and mutter together with pure honey. Use it to rub the place. Ulcer. Use 3 spoons of honey early in the morning, 1 hour before breakfast. Semen boost. Mix 1 egg with 5 tablespoons of honey. Use it immediately. Asthma. Mix snail water with honey. Usage: adult 3 tablespoons 3 times daily. Children 1 tablespoon 3 times daily. Pile. Grind scent leaf, ephedrine, lemon juice. Mix it with pure honey. Take 2 tablespoons 3 times daily. Hair ache. Get warm water with small salt and mix it with pure honey. Usage: put a drop inside your hair. Mouth ache. Mix lime juice, salt with pure honey. Use it to wash your mouth 3 times daily. Measles. Grind bitter leaf with pure honey. Use it to rub the body and take 2 tablespoons 3 times daily. Stomach pain after birth. Use 2 spoons of honey 3 times daily. Children bed wetting. Give the child 2 spoons of pure honey every night. Cough. Mix honey together with grinded bitter kola. Usage: use 1 spoon 3 times daily. Blood pressure. Mix snail water with equal amount of honey. Usage: 2 tablespoons 3 times daily. Red eyes. Use pure honey 2 times a day. Runny stomach. Grind bitter gourd leaf, Momordica charantia, ewé together with honey and use 3 times daily. Diabetes. Extract bitter leaf water, mix it together with pure honey and use it 3 times daily. Stroke. Mix your urine with pure honey and take 3 spoons morning and night. Hypertension. Grind garlic with pure honey and take 3 tablespoons morning and night. MANPOWER. Boil 1 unripe plantain with pure honey and eat it for manpower. Blood booster. Grind bitter leaf and pure honey and use 3 spoons 3 times daily. Running stomach. Mix salt together with pure honey and use 3 spoons 3 times daily. Skin smoothing. Mix pure honey together with coconut oil and rub it on your body. After shave. Mix popliteonesis E2 with pure honey. Rub it after shave. Skin disease. Grind graminsis and sulfur imiojo with pure honey and rub it on the affected part of the body. Worm. Mix salt and lime juice with pure honey and use 3 tablespoons 3 times daily. Irregular menstruations. Grind garlic and mix it with lime juice and pure honey and use it 3 times daily. Typhoid fever. Grind garlic, mix it with egg and pure honey and use 4 spoons 3 times daily. Fire burns. Use pure honey to rub the affected part. Children rashes. Grind graminsis popliteonesis E2 sulfur imiojo with pure honey. Rub it to the affected part of the body. For blood, mix lime juice and fresh egg and pure honey together and use 3 tablespoons 3 times daily. Body heat. Get liquid from bitter leaf and mix it with salt and pure honey together and use 3 spoons 3 times daily. Stomach pain. Use salt and scent leaf together with pure honey and use 3 spoons 3 times daily. Gonorrhea. Mix lemon juice with small mutters and pure honey and use 3 spoons 3 times daily. Diabetes. Use pure honey to drink pap or tea daily. To improve health, starting from 40 years, use pure honey to drink pap or tea and it is good for your health. To reduce fatness, use corn leaf as a tea with pure honey. Headache. Use lime juice with pure honey and take 3 times daily. Don't forget to share this video to save your life. Thank you very much for watching. For more videos on health tips, please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And if you have any question, please write us.